fixing rust on my
I
bike.
have primer and I have black spray paint, and it came with these like little dials, and on the back it's like it goes high output standard, low output, vertical, horizontal. What's going on today is I have figured out that there's like rust already on the bike. This is like my 4th month having it, and what I did is I'm trying to get that little spot right there because I cleaned it off with some of this stuff right here, this rust dissolver, and since it's now bare metal, I had to get some primer. And also there's also some under here which I had to clean. Paint's also chipping off, which I'm not very happy about. It's okay because I will be able to fix it. I will take this thing out to the back. Okay, so I'm out here, got my setup, put a pizza box under here. So I have all the bike and stuff. I want to make sure I do this right. Okay, so after taking everything off, I'm looking at it. It looks pretty good, honestly. Some of the primer's still on there. Can I just rub it off? Or, I will fix that though. Let's see this part. Yeah, that part was pretty solid too, yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this.